Them like, but defend them something. Okay, me think you that play a song. No? Now go show you something. Nico. Yeah, man. Rocky alright. The police them alright too. Turn down the microphone, the levels, and make sure the sound play on a balance. Can you see, when you have the police them, we respect them. Whereas when you have the soup, and a chicken food soup, a soup where we just lap this off. So from the soup to balance it, we are balancing. We stop drinking soup. I'm going to show you where certain things come from. Watch out now. One of you where intelligent come to me. Come now. Anyone on the turbo just come now. Intelligence. I'm going to prove something to Jamaica right now, and then I'm going to think a lie me I tell. Did you know that, and because police there, I have to talk different. Did you know that Jamaica is the only country that don't support oral sex? You know where that came from? Guyana. That's why I don't like Guyana. May I ask you the question now? If you're born in Jamaica, where them call you? Somebody, come here. Come here. Come here, Nico. Alright. If you're born in Jamaica, where them call you? Yardi. No, just work with the program no man. Jamaican. If you're born in Kenya, where them call you? Canadian. If you're born in America, where them call you? American. If you're born in Guyana, where them call you? Guyanese. See the guy on knees. Remember Edison Association with the First Lady Liquor Miss presents a day and night event, glitz and glamour. Admission $1,000 Rockwood Mineral Bath, Sunday, August 11th. Alright, Lyman, it's a special time of the morning. Softly big up yourself, 9th of August. And you know a Village Blues Bar. Right now is a special time of the moment. Because the artist I'm going to introduce, Shalom Sumfest, is a good look. Right now the artist ready for perform for Rumba Road Flex. Big up Rocky and the family. Big up all of the Flex crew. Big up Ian. Container, you don't know, the 31st of August, a GV Car Park with his anniversary. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, coming out to center stage, one of, and notice what I said, one of the hardest lyrical hitting DJ in the industry. We're not talking about Movado. We're not talking about the 5-star General Bounty Killer. We're not talking about Zaga Zaga Zawana. We're talking about a female that emerged out of Brighton, Portmore, and Catherine. Ladies and gentlemen, when she hits center stage, it's non-stop lights. Please make some noise. We're not talking about Scallion. We're not talking about time. We're not talking about life. We're talking about Spice. Look on! Spice! Ladies and gentlemen, Spice! Ready? No, a short time, right? Fly, man, a short time, man. Yo. Yeah, ready. And everybody knows that we are name. When we are when you get the wicked, so me sorry for the girl about the when now no glamour. But if you got my mama, some girl boring in them bedroom, bring me down low. Some girl coming like pillar. The man put them on the bed and them never move. Some girl boring, but them always never have man problem. The girl them know for all them man say hold them. I want the some girl. I want them able. Oh, this we broke my lips. They broke my spice.
Jamaica. But I see through me a bad girl, I don't believe it. I believe that some straight man still there. Cause some boy are going like them want to take over Jamaica. Where the bad man them there? Let me see your trust. Come up to you and just a shot in that ear. And you never walk round the river. You walk girl with them. That's it way. Let's can them. I want them here, boy. You have some girls say them free if you take a girl, man. That's true? You have some girls say me not take nobody, man. Me a bad girl. Me take girl, man, anytime, anywhere, cause you're so good and me have what it takes to hold the man. So me take him and down, let it go. When the girl comes, say, boy, I want it. Me don't take your man, so what? I mean, the man walk, and me look is so fat. All you want that girl, me no matter that. The first time me see him, after he come back, say, boy, I know me make your man say morning. I know me make him a man over me, but boy, I know me make your man say you're crying. I know me make him a dash it way. Where the slim girl them there in the place? You have no slim girl? Pamputena there tonight. Where the fluffy girl them there in the house? You have no fluffy girl? Let it go. Me I represent me in between. And me I get fat, right? Where the girl them know so them slim and them stay good. Where the girl them know them fat and stay good. Watch the fluffy there in the green. I'm full of time now. Are you ready? Sing it better, you can't do that. Sing it better, you can't do that. You see them slim girl, let me see them a go with a bag of things since night. Me see the slim girl, them a go with a bag of things. Who do you think could have seen nothing yet? Who do not see nothing yet? Look at that. We're fluffy there. What is fluffy there? Fluffy over them here, no. I wanted them. Show them you can't do something with fluffy. Sing it better, you can't do that. 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 What them not fluffy? I can't speak fluffy. I can't speak. You can't do that. We don't think for me to and do the wash man. What am I going to do? Fluffy, I can't speak. He does some more. Sing it better, sing it better, sing it better. Sing it better, sing it watch out, fluffy!
Hold on there. Spice.
What?
Can I interrupt your program a little bit?
The only way you can't interrupt this unless you can manage the fluffy there.
I'm going to tell you.
Hold on. Me know why you MC, me know why you talk. Me why you manage the fluffy.
Me know the MC, me I tell you what to do. Baby, go over there, sir. Go over there, sir. Look how Spice, look how the show done here now. Stay right there, sir. Darling, under instruction. Anytime you hear the music start play, you go run and jump on me. But before you do it, hold on there. People, anybody know my family? This might be my last day on earth. Remember the comedian Boulevard Pride, I might not be here. And if you're standing anywhere, remember we might have a moment of turbulence. Please hold on properly. Ready?
Give me the mic. I remember you're going at your own risk.
No, hold on.
Oh, you want to talk to her?
Yeah, we're talking.
All right then.
All right.
I want to something, girl.
Hold on, baby. Hold on, enter me tell you from your phone. Hold on.
Single and
Hold on. Take your time and wine and come. Ready and come. All right, baby. Ready for me now. Pull up. Baby, you can't run joke. Which part of you can hold for me? And what you do to my career? Spice, continue performance. You think me an idiot? Never a bathroom. Sorry, the officer. Yeah.
You know something.
Never a bathroom. You don't think me an idiot.
DJ Ice. Walk one. I mean, Fluffy, come give them 2 more wine. Let it go.
College Boys Production.
See my friend Pamputena. a Fluffy, I really represent. Fluffy. Give me some now, baby. Hold the rhythm. Yeah, big up Fluffy. Big up the Fluffy ladies, them, and big up Miss Kitty. Let me talk to the woman them now. Come in at the business to represent for the girl them. You have some girl them walk on sex all about the place, and when them pum pum busy and stretch out and have a bad problem, them come a confused and have all kind of man problem and confusion. Woman should have to take care of them yourself. Right? You have some man them there on the corner, them attack me say, oh, she stink and them something, I don't like it. So wash and clean if it clean. Yeah, if it clean, and that was say. So let me teach you something. Give me the rhythm.
Archer.
I can't talk to the woman them now. I want to talk to the woman them. Let me teach you something about them yourself. Bounce below. One drop. Listen to me ladies before you lie down. The man of a man nothing play in your crowd. Take care of the fish in your aquarium. No make the man turn you in the halata. You see the pussy what you have with the clit and the tongue. If you sex too much it's ever start take down. And you could lump some of banana bubble gum. It's about 10 deep deeper. Like, if you study so they start walking down. Clap, 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 make nice, make man run. Hold on. You have some next set of girl now. If the man call to them a look and a peep. Them want to see which car the man drive. Them want to see if the man rich. Them want to see the crew him up with. Let me teach you something. You see them big man they when no phone and run down. Them don't want honor. Them are go take and talk on. What I say? Juggle with the man from scratch. What them a hustler sell little weed, you know them little thing there. Juggle with your man. Cause the ghetto man them a talk to me and me a ear walk one. Nobody run down the big man them cause them don't want to know. Me have to tell you woman careful who you choose. If a money man you want, you all get used. But if a man there you know fi pick or refuse. If a big man you want, you all get. Me no run down big man, we say them a the dad. Me no fight if money in a Land Cruiser. I prefer take a walk foot or a hand cart man. One thing me know, any man I prefer take call me garden fi sprinkle me water. Better me take a farmer fi plow me cassava. And you with a barber fi shape me salama. I prefer take a fi chop powder. You on the street side, them on the street. Yeah, we have to teach the woman them things. Turn off the light if you don't can now. Because from what day a real talk this me I make.
Right, man,
you see that song, yeah? You see that song, yeah? Some people say if he stay away him there, they don't want him come out. But a whole heap of people me here I say free the world boss. Let it go. Make sure you do what you want, but I don't chat. Me cocky longer than me night. See this is the night. You want to ride it like a bike. When you want to rub it high, the cocky nothing high. That means if it's right, that the power to zip. So come and put it on the low. Can you touch it on the high? Me nipple them a right, set it up in a try. It's the appetite, every nipple get a high. No man a figure speed me and him a figure. Now me have to wipe on. Deal with your breast like me. Cause she not this side. You are my mister. You are my miss. Kill me with the pocket. Kill me with the time. Or when you are close for something like okay. back the light now. Big up Cartel, anyway I'm there. We know where I'm there, but yeah. Anyway, I'm feet rest right now. Spice, big up. Give me something now. Some guys say them work good. But you know my man tell me about my thing. You know my man tell me him said it's great. It's no good, it's great. I am so great that my man say when me dey on the cocky a fight. I am so great, him a say me nookie great. That my man say when him see me a wine and vibe. Him say me great. I am so great that my man say when him see me a wine and vibe great. I am so great, him a say me body. But me man a say this a the best and him a say the rhythm he put me pan out. He living on me whole like the murderer, but I the wine me possess him clearly. When he start up, just him see me not sexy, just as he said look. That's it. When you ready for wine and dash out to no hole in the morning, yeah? When the girl never can't twerk up them body there. When you know for hole in the man, let me read him now. I'm ready for wine out now. I want to let it go.
So it's the Island Snowman represented for the ladies all over the world.
The girl never knows that I'm not boring. Are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
Or I can't get a wine now.
Teach them spice.
Every girl in the ring. And just get mad and do your thing. Cause you can move your body and twerk it. Sign and go up, shake it and jam up. And your body and triple and twerk it. Twerk it, twerk it, and you can twerk it. Wine and go down and go down, girl. Wine and go down and go down, girl. Anything you want to, girl, twist. Anything you want to, girl, twist. Everybody go, girl, girl. Everybody go, girl, girl. Anything you want to, girl, twist. Anything you want to, girl. Take it, take it, let's go. I can't wait till they get to your road. Twerk up your body like the matter about. Twerk to the right, girl, twerk to the left. Twerk up your body, girl, twerk up. Just like in first, girl, twerk to the best. Jump up, the rest. Wine on to the map. Mula want call up a man for the song, but me I go low it. I'm not able, so me I go just low it. More you find a rhythm there. Because I'm not afraid to sing that song, yeah. Because I know every man can bust a blank on that song, yeah. You have some man out the road. Them a hide and a eat. Want to know about them man there? Them a talk, say them nah do it. But them a hide and a eat. The real bad man them a left at Jamaica. We know them can't put up them and no one soon. Let it go. Rough man a hide and a do some things, but a true we not see. Oh, some man a say them bad out a road and a eat out gal punani. Me nah put me mouth a ground because the gal them a talk about it. Oh, you are going like a real bad man and you will undo it, you're freaking, you are so gal. You say the mother, you're the third. You're hide and you're